Yep. Well, our plan to go to that party turned out to be a total bust. Yeah. But at least I got to see some good music. Got to see some good view of the horizon. I was going to ask my mom if we could take a taxi, but since our new friend here decided to give us a ride, I don't see the point. In New York, there are loads of transportation. There's taxi, the bus, Uber, and especially bikes. And let's not forget the all-famous horse ride. Can't get rid of that. And trust me, that's even better. And Allie? I hope we see some cool views here, like the Lego shop. Next time we go to the city, I'm gonna get some more footage. Yeah?
They want ID, so I don't have photo ID for him. Okay then, so that we'll go get something to eat and go home. You have a good night. Right? What happens without ID? You get to go in. They won't let it in. No.
Typical.
They want.
I feel like the Ninja Turtles are out at its time of night. I bet the Autobots too. Same goes for the PJ Masks. Eleanor wonders why I got to see the city. I'm glad I got to see it too. Get ready guys, we're about to see something awesome.